Hello, Tracy Jones here, and we are going to cover the tornado procedure for the Moore Norman Precision Machining Program. In case of a tornado or tornado drill, there will be an audible sound come through our PA system. It's kind of a high-pitched pulsing sound, but you will know it when it happens. At that point, we will exit the machine shop calmly, quietly. We are going to exit through our main door. Turn to the left and proceed down the hallway. Proceed down the hall. To room B114. If you happen to be in another part of the building, you will look for a tornado shelter or tornado refuse sign. You will go in there and stay until you are given the all clear.